Are you looking for the best longboards? In this video, we will look at some of the best longboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Loaded Boards Tien Bamboo Longboard. The Loaded Boards Tien Bamboo Longboard is a high-performance longboard designed with a focus on versatility and trick-friendly features. This longboard is engineered to excel in various riding styles, making it suitable for carving, pumping, freestyle, freeride, and urban commuting or alternative transportation. One of the key design elements of the Loaded Tien is its functional layout. The board features a drop-through truck mounting system, which enhances stability and makes pushing easier, especially for longer rides. Large cutouts in the deck are strategically placed to maximize wheel clearance, allowing for deep carves and tight turns without wheel bite. Additionally, the nose and tail of the Tien have kicks that enable advanced freestyle tricks and assist in maneuvering through city streets. The construction of the Loaded Tien Bamboo Longboard is both strong and lightweight, borrowing inspiration from snowboard technology. It incorporates vertically laminated bamboo and fiberglass, resulting in a durable yet lightweight deck that offers a lively ride. This composite construction not only ensures the board's longevity but also contributes to its responsiveness, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer carve-oriented longboarding. Number 2. Retrospec Zed Longboard. The Retrospec Zed Longboard is a classic and stylish longboard that pays homage to the makeshift backyard longboards of the 1950s, capturing the classic surfboard shape and feel of that era. This longboard is designed not only to transport riders from one place to another but also to evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of a time filled with sun, surf, salty air, breezy days, dewy nights, and reverb dust hits of yesteryear. One of the primary concerns for longboarders is wheel bite, which can lead to accidents. The Retrospec Zed Longboard addresses this issue by incorporating wheel wells into its design. These wheel wells help eliminate wheel grab and ensure a smoother and safer riding experience. Additionally, it features durable 70 by 51 mm 85 APU wheels with a rock finish for added control. The longboard is equipped with precision ball bearings that meet the ABC7 tolerance grade. This makes it ideal for high-speed riding and ensures extreme running accuracy, making it suitable for various adventures and riding styles. The 70 mm polyurethane wheels on the Zed Longboard are designed to be both smooth and shock-absorbent, providing a comfortable and controlled ride. The rock finish on the wheels enhances grip, allowing riders to confidently tackle different terrains. Number 3. Atom Pintail Longboard. The Atom Pintail Longboard is a versatile and well-crafted longboard designed for riders who seek a smooth and enjoyable cruising experience. This longboard boasts several features that make it a popular choice among riders looking for a dependable board for both beginners and more experienced skaters. The Atom Pintail Longboard features a 9-inch wide deck constructed from 8-ply maple laminate. This combination of materials provides a sturdy and durable platform for riders, ensuring longevity and stability. Additionally, the deck features a photo heat transfer graphic, adding a touch of style to its design. The longboard is equipped with standard kingpin trucks, which provide excellent maneuverability and control. These trucks have a stable 35-degree base angle, offering a good balance between agility and stability. The 6-inch aluminum hangers with steel axles enhance the overall durability and performance of the trucks. Number 4. Quest Cutie NSC44C. The Quest Cutie NSC44C is a longboard designed with a focus on size, quality, and performance. Measuring 44 inches in length, it is positioned as the ideal size for longboarding enthusiasts. The board is constructed using multiply hardwood maple, ensuring durability and strength, and it features a beautifully crafted artisan bamboo deck that not only adds aesthetic appeal but also enhances its performance. This longboard is specifically designed with the Californian boardwalks in mind and is created to meet higher specifications, making it suitable for riders from Malibu to San Diego. Quest positions itself as a leader in the longboard and skateboard industry, emphasizing the authenticity of its components. Some of the key components of the Quest Cutie NSC44C include genuine ABEC 7 speed bearings, a 7-ply Superflex and hardwood maple deck, and 7-inch aluminum trucks. These components are chosen to optimize the board's performance, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a professional-style longboard. Number 5. Atom Drop Deck Longboard. The Atom Drop Deck Longboard is a popular longboard skateboard known for its exceptional stability and comfortable riding experience. This overview will provide insights into its key features, including the deck, trucks, wheels, and grip. The Atom Drop Deck Longboard features a 9-ply maple laminate deck that measures 35 mm (1.4 inches) in drop. The drop deck design, with its lowered center of gravity, provides riders with enhanced stability and control. Additionally, the deck boasts a photo heat transfer graphic, adding a touch of style to the board. Equipped with standard kingpin trucks, this longboard offers a stable ride with a 35-degree base. The trucks feature 6-inch aluminum hangers with steel axles, ensuring durability and strength. These components contribute to a reliable and responsive turning experience, making it suitable for riders of various skill levels.